Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of ExpressVPN, one of the most popular and premium VPN services in the world. If you care about online privacy, secure browsing, streaming content from anywhere, or protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, then this video is for you. But the big question is this: is ExpressVPN really worth the price in 2026, or are there better options out there? Let's break everything down step by step. ExpressVPN is a virtual private network service designed to keep your internet activity private, encrypted, and secure. When you connect to ExpressVPN, it hides your real IP address and replaces it with one from its global server network. What this means in simple terms is your internet provider can't see what websites you visit, hackers can't intercept your data, and websites can't easily track your real location. This is especially important in 2026, where data tracking, cybercrime, and online surveillance are more aggressive than ever. ExpressVPN is used in about 105 countries and is used for several major purposes: protecting personal data on public Wi-Fi, browsing privately without tracking, accessing geo-restricted websites and content, improving online security while traveling, and preventing bandwidth throttling from ISPs. So overall, ExpressVPN positions itself as a premium VPN focused on speed, security, and simplicity rather than being the cheapest option on the market. Now let us talk about the main features of ExpressVPN. Top-level encryption. ExpressVPN uses AES-256 encryption, which is the same level of encryption used by banks and security agencies. This ensures your data stays completely unreadable to outsiders. Trusted server technology. One of ExpressVPN's standout features is that its servers run entirely on RAM instead of hard drives. This means no data is ever permanently stored and everything is wiped every time the server restarts, which is a huge win for privacy. Lightweight protocol. ExpressVPN developed its own protocol called Lightweight, designed to deliver faster speeds, better stability, and quicker connections, especially useful on mobile devices or unstable networks. Kill switch or network lock. If your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, ExpressVPN automatically blocks your internet connection until protection is restored. This prevents any data leaks. Split tunneling. This allows you to choose which apps use the VPN and which apps connect normally. For example, you can stream locally while your browser stays protected. Multi-device support. One ExpressVPN subscription allows you to connect up to 14 devices simultaneously, covering phones, laptops, tablets, smart TVs, and even routers. Cross-platform compatibility. ExpressVPN works on Windows, on macOS, on Android, on Linux, on routers, Apple TV, Fire Stick, Android TV, as a Chrome extension, and more, making it a solid all-in-one solution. And customer support 24/7. Users get access to round-the-clock live chat support, which is great for beginners or troubleshooting issues quickly. Now, what is the pricing like? There's a basic plan at $2.44 per month. There's an advanced plan, which is the most popular, at $3.14 per month. And there's a pro plan at $5.24 per month. Of course, the initial service term is to pay for 2 years and you save 81%, or you pay for a year and save 73% of the money. Now, what are the pros and cons of using ExpressVPN? First, the pros: excellent privacy and security standards, strict no-logs policy, very fast and reliable speeds, huge global server network, and ease to use apps for all platforms. It works well for streaming and it has strong reputation and brand trust. How about the cons? It is more expensive than most VPN competitors and fewer customization options for advanced users. It's not ideal for users that are looking for the cheapest VPN possible. So, should you use ExpressVPN in 2026? Well, if your top priorities are privacy, speed, reliability, and ease of use, then ExpressVPN remains one of the best VPNs that you can buy. It's especially great for professionals, travelers, streamers, and anyone serious about online security. However, if you're on a tight budget or you only need a VPN occasionally, ExpressVPN might feel overpriced even though the quality is there. Thanks to the money back guarantee, it's still a low risk option to try, and for many people, it's absolutely worth it. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.